If you're looking for help fixing your Rinnai water heater, look no further. Our comprehensive Rinnai Water Heater Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Hard water, one of the most common issues many homeowners are dealing with in on-demand water heating, is exposure to hard water. The high concentration of mineral deposits in water is the main cause of the sediment build-up, especially in the heat exchangers. Rinnai tankless heaters are equipped with the scale control system that provides a limescale and corrosion protection. If the problem occurs, you will notice the error codes LC0 LC9, which represents the scale build-up problem inside the heat exchanger. Water flow. Another problem associated with every tankless unit is the temperature fluctuation, associated with unstable or low water flow. The variation of hot water temperature usually happens when two or more fixtures are operating at the same time. The unit must have the minimum flow reached. Otherwise, even with the slightly lower water flow than the minimum required, you might have the problem. By increasing the flow rate, the problem can be solved. No ignition. When there is no gas ignition, the heater is off. Test the igniter and see is it still working. This includes checking the loose connections, damaged wiring harness, and removing the deposits from the electrodes. Check the burner and clean it if necessary from the dirt and debris, also condensation. Are all electric elements properly grounded, and does the gas valve have short circuits? No flame. If there is no flame, use some of these tips for troubleshooting. Check the loose connections and the proper voltage on the power supply, PC board, and igniter. Ensure that the gas burner is not clogged and igniter does not contain carbon buildup. High temperature. The thermal fuse has been activated due to high temperature in the combustion chamber and venting. Ensure that there is no blockage in the vent system, lack of combustion air. Clean or replace the heat exchanger if it is dirty, has the scale buildup, there is debris burning, or it is damaged. Increase the water flow if it is too low. Issues with the PC board. Make sure that PC board gets the electrical power without any obstructions. If it is damaged, replace the board. Also, replace the board if you get the error code 71, which indicates the problem with the solenoid valve circuit. Flame sensor. Make sure that the flame sensor is touching the flame. If there is limescale buildup, use the fine sandpaper and clean it. All the wiring should be without damages and connections must be tight. Replace the element if it is needed.